Okay, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video and try to explain my rationale for why I believe that Theta is due for a correction. So looking at the chart, we've got Theta US dollar on the daily. It's the 24th of March. Theta's had this massive run up to the upside, which is awesome for everyone who's got Theta. But what I wanted to show you is these three oscillators indicators down at the bottom. So I've got the stochastics RSI, the money flow index, and the RSI. So ultimately with the RSI, anything that's over, say, 75 is classed as overbought. And so you can see that it's usually used it as a bit of resistance here, and it's used it as support here. We're now at 92. So the RSI is getting quite overextended, which is normally a sell sign. But rather than just say, oh, the RSI is high, I think we should sell. We also look at the money flow index. So the money flow index currently is sitting at 82. But of course, back in December, it went as high as 96. So yet there's still room to the upside for money flow. And then with the stochastics RSI, anything over 85, again, is classed as a sell. As a general rule, once it's overextended to this 98, you can see back here to 100 level, it will ultimately reverse and start going down. Now, that doesn't mean you need to run to the hills, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to compare it to another trade that you guys would be familiar with, which is ZIP. So back in, let's go to the start of the year, 1st of Jan, everyone was super bullish on ZIP. ZIP was going to go to the moon. And we had this nice run to the upside and we got up to about $9. I'm sure some of you will remember it. At $9, if you just look down at the stochastics RSI was at almost 100. The money flow index had also popped its head out over 87. However, the RSI was still cruising relatively low. So the RSI was at 75, which gave us more room to run to the upside. So what happened after a bit of consolidation? Boom, massive move to the upside to about 14K. Now, when we got to 14K, look what happens here. Stochastics RSI, almost 100. Money flow index, 85. And the RSI peeped its head over this 90 level. We got to 91. And ultimately, what happened was a correction or a crash, whichever way you want to say it. Now, this crash today was at about 45%. And so what I'm trying to say is when you've got the RSI, the money flow index and the stochastics RSI all saying to sell, as a general rule, that would happen. And I could show you other charts, Binance Coin, Bitcoin, go and have a look. It's kind of the same every time. What would a 40% correction look like in Theta? Well, so with Theta, obviously, since, let's go the 1st of March, Theta is up by a staggering 360%. So that 360% increase is fantastic. So if you brought in down here at like $3 and you've had a 300% increase, well, first of all, well done. But ultimately, what would a 40% correction look like for you? So if you say we have a 40% correction, that takes us down to about $8.60. So let's just say in a few days' time, the stochastics keep going up, the money flow index keeps going up, the RSI goes up and tops out at 92. We have the correction down to $8.62. I just think this would be a fantastic time to re-engage to the upside, providing that we're still in a bull run. And that's my rationale for why I think Theta is due for a correction. Cheers.